Some of the high-level points of the paper: is AI art another industrial revolution in the making? The paper was accepted at the Creative AI Across Modalities workshop at AAAI 2023 held at Washington, D.C. It talks about the ramifications that AI art generation has on art and artists through the lens of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution switched from an individualist working environment to a factory-centered one, changed the way society viewed independent artisans, bringing in an age of commercialization predicated on the swift production of machine-made products over man-made ones. Relooking through Walter Benjamin's view, art moved to being based on politics instead of tied to rituals. It began to serve as a tool for political activism and resistance, ultimately bringing about social and political change. Besides raising questions in moral philosophy, a strong attribution to the functional aspects of art vis-a-vis the aesthetics could mean a lot of hope for traditional artists, especially those who were dependent on techniques than on the aesthetics of the final artwork. Wherever the functional aspects of art would be irrelevant, the transition towards computational art would accelerate people's dependence on designs which can be quickly iterated, affecting commercial artistry significantly. Art could be democratized. The biggest winners would not only be businesses, but even non-experts, art amateurs, and the non-elite. Anyone can produce great art, including a person without limbs or someone with a neurological disorder that affects their ability to draw/paint. There are many similarities to the Industrial Revolution already being witnessed or could be exploited from many of the existing models. Increased amount of plagiarism. Increased carbon emissions. Furthering of political agendas by exploiting model biases. In the same way that the artisan was pushed out, so too is the artist today. In the same way IP was compromised during the 19th century, legal loopholes may ensure many artists are not duly credited without proper AI regulation. Industrial Revolution analogs serve as a warning to look backwards at the past treatment of creators and consumers, in the wake of newly introduced AI art models, before experiencing the consequences that storyboarding, concept art, UX design, and advertisers would face. Please read the complete paper in the link description and provide your thoughts in the comments. Meet you next time.